Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to Mark's classroom. My name is Teacher Mark, and today we are going to look at some amazing animals. Amazing animals. Please look at Unit 4 in your books. Okay, we are going to listen and point to some amazing animals. Amazing animals. Can you say amazing animals? Okay, what can we see? We can see some animals. We see a tree. We see a tree. And this is an elephant's trunk. This is an elephant's trunk. Can you see the rhino? He has a big horn. He has a big horn on his nose. Can you see? Can you say rhino? Can you say rhino for Teacher Mark? Rhino. Well done. Good job. Okay. Can you see the two reptiles? Reptiles. This is a reptile. Can you see the crocodile? Can you see the crocodile? Can you see the monkey? Monkey is in the tree. The monkey is in the tree. Okay, let's look at number 2. Let's look at the picture. Okay, you can see the trunk, the tree, the rhino, reptiles, and the monkey. The monkey. Can you say tree, trunk, rhino, reptiles, and monkey? That's right, monkey. Excellent, good job. Monkey. Okay, where is the snake? Where is the snake? Can you see question 1? The snake is on the what? The snake is on the tree. The snake is on the tree. Can you say the snake is on the tree? Yes! The snake is on the tree. Okay. Can you see the panda? Can you see the panda? The panda is black and white. The panda is black and white. Can you see where the panda is? Yes! The panda is behind the rhino. The panda is behind the rhino. Can you say the panda is behind the rhino? I can't hear you. Louder. The panda is behind the rhino. Well done. Good job. Okay. Look at the picture and complete the sentence. The is between the elephant and the crocodile. What could this be? What is in between the elephant and the crocodile? Could it be the monkey? Could it be the monkey? Shall we look? The tree is between the elephant and the crocodile. So it wasn't the monkey, but the monkey is on the tree. The monkey is on the tree. Okay. The elephant has a long What is this called? The elephant has a long trunk. The elephant has a long trunk. Okay. There are two in the picture. What can you see two of? Can you see two reptiles? Maybe? I think I can see two reptiles. Yeah! Who got that right? Did anyone get that right for Teacher Mark? Okay. Okay. We have a word box. Okay. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pictures. 8 pictures. Okay. Now I would like you to repeat after me. Okay. Okay. Picture 1. Cheetah. Cheetah. Can you say cheetah? Cheetah. Number 2 is ostrich. Ostrich. This is a little bit hard to say. Ostrich. Picture 3. Okay. This is called a blue whale. A blue whale. And it swims in the sea. It swims in the sea. It's a big blue whale. Can you say big blue whale? Big blue whale. Repeat after me. Big blue whale. Good job. Picture number 4. This is called a hummingbird. A hummingbird. A hummingbird. Okay. Picture number 5. This word is weigh. Weigh. You can weigh yourself on scales. You can weigh yourself on scales. Number 6. Strong. 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 Okay? Can you say strong? Strong. Yes, well done. Good job. Good job. Okay. Picture number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Picture number 7. Oh, heavy. Heavy. Okay. Heavy. Can you repeat? Heavy. 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 Well done. Good job. Next picture. Ooh. This one says light. Light. And is the opposite of heavy. It is the opposite of heavy. Okay. Number 2. Can you read, listen, and match? Okay. Now, picture A. This animal lives in Africa. It has big teeth. It eats animals and is the fastest animal in the world. What could it be? What could it be? This animal is a bird, but it can't fly. It can't fly. It has 2 long legs, 2 long legs, and it runs very fast. It runs very fast. It is the biggest bird in the world. Okay? It's the biggest bird in the world. Now, can you tick the correct answer? Number 3. This animal is very small. Very small. It is the lightest bird in the world. Remember, heavy and light. This one is heavy. This one is light. It's the lightest bird in the world. Okay? Okay. So can you see the words animal, very, small, big teeth, lightest, and the world? The world. Okay. This animal is a mammal. It lives in the ocean. Can you remember? Can you remember which animal lives in the sea? Remember? It is the biggest animal in the world. And it's blue. Can you tick the right answer?